Deadgood specialises in the design and distribution of contemporary furniture, lighting and interior products. We're an award-winning company and we sell into two different markets. These are high specification commercial environments, and we also sell into luxury domestic markets through a network of exclusive department stores. Our ethos is to foster innovation by pushing the creative boundaries of our design style, to work with innovative new manufacturers and processes, and also to work with some of the most talented young designers in our industry.
The main outline of the project was to team up with specialist North East manufacturers and explore and experiment with materials and manufacturing processes to come up with a new range of innovative products for Deadgood. We started the project by visiting various manufacturers within the region, including the Expanded Metal Company, Lampglass, Hydram and Tanfield Metal Spinners Group. The first stage was a factory visit. That was really useful because that enabled us to really get an in-depth idea of what the factory was producing and how they produced it. The second stage, we kind of went away, had a kind of brainstorm and really kind of came up with some ideas of how to utilise the process and manufacturing techniques. Third stage then was going back to the manufacturers and actually working alongside them, producing samples and seeing actually if it was possible to produce some of the ideas.
Having an insight into what's achievable with new products is great. Obviously, if you know the constraints of a process and the limitations set by a manufacturer, then as a designer that gives you an opportunity to set out a brief and to work from that as a starting point.
One of the experimentations we carried out was working with the Expanded Metal Company and Tanfield Metal Spinners. What we were trying to do is actually spin the flat mesh into a three-dimensional form to create some hemispheres, what we then could apply to lighting. Finding
a new manufacturing process is great for a kind of creative thinking. It allows you to come up with new ideas, think outside the box and really take the essence of what that material or that process is about and try and push it to its limitations.
A lot of designers work the opposite way around and then come up with a great idea, but then find it very difficult to actually get that through production. By working alongside the manufacturer, we kind of cut out that bit of a process, so hopefully our designs are production ready.
Having an innovative approach to design, so using new manufacturing techniques and processes that haven't necessarily been seen before, gives our customers something to buy into the brand. You know, it's something for them to come to us for. If we've got a new technique or a new material, then it gives us the opportunity to stand out from the crowd.
I'm really happy with how the project's gone and the potential future of the project as well. We've got ourselves a collection of products which we feel are really unique to the marketplace, and we've also now got good relationships with several regional manufacturers who we hope to continue collaborating with.
This whole process has really kind of opened up our thinking to new opportunities, both on the design side of things, as in working with these new materials to create engaging new designs, but also on a commercial standpoint as well. If there's a material or a process that's not necessarily been used before, we can see the commercial opportunity there to exploit this and get a new product out to market.
We're passionate about utilising British manufacturers, and it's one of our key values to try and source our products wherever locally. And by utilising manufacturers within the UK and specifically within the region, it gives us a really good access to their wealth of knowledge and expertise.
I think it's great to find manufacturers who also wanting to innovate in a similar way that we're trying to innovate as a company, because if there's two people behind a product and two people pushing for innovation from both parties, then there's really a lot more opportunity for this project to succeed.
We also aim to design more products using some of the other manufacturers we visited during the project, and we're looking at rolling this project out and getting other designers involved to create new collections for Deadgood.